following presentation is geared toward first-year college students seeking a career in special education and presents an overview of dyslexia, theories related to dyslexia, and educational treatment options available to dyslexic students. Dyslexia background. The foremost purpose of language is to create a mental idea of a situation which enables human beings to understand it and communicate about that situation. Sometimes a problem with processing language occurs, and a person possesses a discrepancy in reading and understanding text, which is known as dyslexia. Dyslexia is a neurological disorder with a genetic component. Sternberg and Sternberg state that neurological studies show that too little stimulation occurs in the left tempoparietal cortex, which does not occur in mainstream readers. The left prefrontal region of the brain, left middle and superior temporal gyri, and left occipitotemporal regions are also affected. Developmental dyslexia begins in childhood and is among the most common form of dyslexia, which is thought to be caused by both biological and environmental factors, though many scientists are in dispute over the role of biological and environmental factors play in dyslexia. Three major theories of dyslexia exist today, and two of those specific theories, the phonological theory and the visual theory, will be discussed further. First, the phonological theory finds cognitive impairment in the way speech sounds are retrieved in the left brain hemisphere. This is evidenced in dyslexics' very poor performance on tasks requiring phonological awareness, such as making speech sounds. Visual theory proposes that biological structures are responsible for dyslexia in the visual system. Stein and Wash state that magnocellular pathway is selectively disrupted in certain dyslexics, which leads to problems in visual processing in the posterior parietal cortex. Evidence is shown through anatomical studies that abnormalities are seen in the brain. In the Ramos et al. Study, few participants studied had visual disturbances leading to dyslexia. As we know, many well-known people throughout history have managed to use their learning challenge to their benefit. Nancy Brinker, founder of Susan G. Komen for the Cure, has also served as ambassador to Germany and is now Goodwill Ambassador for Cancer Control for the United Nations World Health Organization. Brinker is a hugely successful woman with dyslexia. She was not diagnosed with dyslexia until her son was diagnosed in the 4th grade. At that time, Brinker began recalling the poor results she received on her SATs and the learning struggles she had dealt with throughout her entire life. Early and ongoing intervention can help decrease the level of impairment dyslexia causes a child while he or she develops into adulthood. The Yale Center for Dyslexia and Creativity notes several assistive technology advances which aid dyslexics greatly in saving time and overcoming such struggles as slow note-taking and poor handwriting skills. Tools such as voice recognition software now allow students to speak notes which then appear on the screen, which decreases stress in dyslexics and improves speed. Breaking up projects such as homework into segments is also known to help, while previewing upcoming work can help a student identify words which they need help from a tutor. Short essay tests also help students, as do flashcards and diagrams. In a recent study, Goswami et al. Found that intervention can be started with children earlier than initially thought. Prior to the start of school, a non-traditional strategy of introducing music might offer benefits in phonological development. How a person processes the rise time of words is linked to accuracy of performance. This means that using musical instruments might be valuable in improving phonological deficit in developmental dyslexia. Early detection of dyslexia can help early learners to succeed, and as educators, it is our job to help these students every step of the way. Thank you.